everyone, praise the Lord, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste. This is your host and host, and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dream Beyond the Stars. So dear learners, I hope you are doing well. ग्रामर्स की हमारी जो सीरीज चल रही है सीखने की, उसमें हम नाउन की कैटेगरी हमने स्टार्ट की हुई है. नाउन, इट्स टाइप्स, जेंडर ऑफ नाउन इज क्लियर. एंड आज की वीडियो में मैं काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ. Nouns are of two kinds from the view of countability, that are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns को देख लेते हैं. Countable nouns are the things that can be counted, जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. They have singular and plural forms, और उनकी सिंगुलर फॉर्म भी है और प्लूरल फॉर्म भी है. For example, a cup, 2 cups, 1 pen, 5 pens. Okay. Uncountable nouns. Uncountables are the nouns or the things that cannot be counted. We can't count that things. उनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. They don't have a plural form. Okay, उनकी कोई plural form नहीं होती. For example, milk, water, rice, music. Okay. Countable nouns can be used with a, an or one. Once again, countable noun can be used with a, an or one. Well, uncountable noun we can't use with a, an or one. Okay? Singular countable nouns can't be used alone, means without a, and, this, that. Okay? Or a possessive like my, your, his, etc. हम इनके बिना इनको यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज़ ईटिंग एन एप्पल. वी कांट से ही इज़ ईटिंग एप्पल. वी कैन, द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज ही इज़ ईटिंग एन एप्पल, नॉट ही इज़ ईटिंग एप्पल. प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस कैन बी यूज्ड अलोन. उनको हम अलोन यूज़ कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लाइक एप्पल्स, आई लाइक चॉकलेट्स, राइट. Whether uncountable nouns can be used alone without the, this, that, some, my, etc. Or he, for example, he is eating rice. तो हमने यूज़ नहीं किया ना. I love music. Okay. For the countable nouns, we can use many, few with the plural countable nouns. Okay. For example, there are not many biscuits left. Second sentence, I have written a few letters today. We can't use much or little with countable nouns. Okay? Uncountable nouns को देख लेते हैं. We can use much but not many, a little but not a few. Okay? With uncountable nouns, we can't use much. We can use much, not many. A little, not a few. Okay. For example, there is not much bread left. Okay, we used much. We have got a little petrol. Little, a little we used, not a few petrol. A little petrol. Okay. Okay. We can use some, any and a lot of with plural countable nouns. Okay, some, any and a lot of को हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं plural noun के साथ. For example, first है I want some grapes please. Second, did you buy any stamps? Third, I have got a lot of friends here. Okay, uncountable nouns को देख लेते हैं. We can use some, any and a lot of with uncountable nouns too. Means दोनों के लिए सेम है. Countable and uncountable दोनों के लिए हम क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं? Some, any, a lot of. Okay, for example, I want some butter please. Second, have you got any money? Third, there is a lot of sugar in the tin. As you noticed, some words go with both countable and uncountable nouns, while some words go with any one kind of nouns. Actually, uncountable nouns mainly refer to substances and abstract things. Substances क्या होते हैं? For example, sugar, rice, wheat, flour, oil, water, tea, butter, soup, ice, air, cotton, wool, plastic, gold, steel. Abstract things क्या होती हैं? अब abstract things that we can't see, things we can't touch. Okay? Beauty, cleverness, knowledge, progress, freedom, joy, fun, luck, laughter, anger, patience, courage, honesty. And dear student, note that the following nouns, most of which are the countable in Indian languages, but they are uncountable in English. हम उनको English में अगर चेक करते हैं तो वहाँ पे वो uncountable है, but Indian language में वो countable nouns हैं. Let's see. Advice, information, news, scenery, work, homework, housework, traffic, furniture, luggage, poetry, bread, paper, weather, thunder, equipment. Be careful not to use these nouns with a, an or in the plural. Okay? इनको यूज़ करते टाइम ये बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. मीन्स लेट्स सी अ वर्ड, वन रॉन्ग वर्ड मैं यहाँ पे प्रोनाउंस करूँगी. I have a news for you. Okay, we used a. Okay, but correct is I have some news for you. We have to use some. Okay, another example. We had a lot of luggages. Incorrect sentence है ये. Correct क्या है? We had a lot of luggage. Okay, we use a countable noun like piece, bottle, kilo, etc. with of with an uncountable noun when we need to say how much bread, milk, oil, etc. Okay, let's see some examples more. A piece or loaf of bread, a bottle of milk, a can of oil, a glass of water, a cup of coffee, a jar of jam, a packet of sugar, a kilo of wheat, 3 meters of cloth, 10 liters of petrol, 2 spoonfuls of sugar, 15 grams of gold, a piece of advice, 2 pieces or sheets of paper. In some cases, English has a separate uncountable noun and a separate countable noun referring to the same area of meaning. So be careful how to use that. Okay? तो nouns की ये हमारा चैप्टर आज ख़त्म होता है इस वीडियो के साथ. I hope you learned well. Thanks for watching this video. Dear students, dear learners, to know more about the English language, be connected always and go through all videos. All videos are there in playlist. And अगर आप चैनल पे नए आए हो, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of every new video. Okay, students and dear learners, I will come back with a new topic, means series. Parts of speech is going on. Another part of speech is we will discuss in the next video. So wait for the next video. Till that time, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning, keep watching. God bless you. Bye bye.